guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to make this fish, and I'm going to use glow-in-the-dark pony beads, but you can use whatever color you want. You're going to need one black bead for the eye, a foot of string, scissors, and a needle that's optional. And we're going to start, I have my bead board over here with my pattern. I'm going to use this as a guide. I will put a picture of this at the end of the video. But to start, you can stop the video and get all your beads ready. Once you have all your beads ready, you can take your string and fold it in half. And we're going to put all of these beads on. Now both strings will go through when there's only one bead. Okay, so we're just adding two beads, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, and so on. Okay, what you can do is pull these down and then tie the strings together. Now we're going to put our needle on, if you're using one. And we're going to go through this pink. And in between each space, we're going to add a pink bead. So we added a pink bead, and now we're going to go through this bead sticking out. Okay, we're going to flip this over, and we're going to take our needle and we're going to go through this pink. And same thing over here, we added 3 pink beads to fill in the gaps here. We're going to do the same. Now what we need to do is make a path to get back to this bead. So we're going to take our needle and we're going to go down 2 beads, these 2. And now we're going to go up this bead. Whoops. We're going to go up this bead. And then down this one. Okay, so we just made a path to get over here. Go ahead and flip this over, and we're going to add 2 pink beads. One right here, and then one right here. Okay, we need to make a path to get over to this bead here, so we're going to go down 2. We're going to take our needle and go down both of these. We're going to take it up this one, and then down this one. Okay, we're going to add on a pink. And we need to make a path to get back to this bead. So we're going to go down these 2. Up this one. And then down this one. We're going to add a pink bead. And we're going to go through this bead. Okay, so we added this pink and then we went down this one. Now you're going to take your string and go up. And we're going to add 2 pink beads. Okay, we added 2 pink beads. We're going to take this string and we're going to go through the second one. And we're also going to go back through this bead that we added. And you can pull this to kind of make it a little tighter. And then on this side, we're going to add 2 beads. And we're going to take our string and go back through the second bead. And this bead that we added. And you can grab this and pull this string. And now we can tie. We're going to just tie on that string that we already used earlier. And now we have the tail. Okay. Go ahead and flip this over. And we're going to add our needle. We're going to put on 1 pink bead and go through this bead here. Add another pink. Okay, so we're going to add a pink, and we need to make a path to get back to this bead. So you're going to go down these 2. And then we need to go up these 2 beads and down this one. Okay, go ahead and flip this over. We're going to add 1 pink. And now we're going to add the eye. And a pink. Okay, we need to make a path to get over to this bead. So we're going to go down 2. We're going to go down these 2. And we're going to go up a bead. This bead. And then we're going to go down this one. Flip it over. We're going to add a pink. And another pink. And now we need to make a path to get to this bead. So we're going to go down 2. Up 1. And then down 1. And this is going to be our last bead, so go ahead and add your pink bead. And I'm just going to go ahead and take my needle all the way down here to tie. It'll just be easier. But if you're low on string, you can tie it right here behind the bead. So we're just tying on that string here. Okay, now we have our little fish. And if you can play around with these to move it a little bit. But we have our 2 little fishies. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.